probably left one in the car still on the truck. We are working. You done? Hey, boo boo. Your cutie smile, JoJo. Yeah.
Okay, don't.
Look at him. He just he lay his head right on her leg.
You want to take a nap?
What thing? A lot of boxes open. They could have packaged this a little bit better. I care about this package, Sean.
Baby, you rich.
What's the problem? Huh?
Meu Genji. Who's that?
Dun, dun, dun.
Four. Where are you going?
Hey, you need live restricted, you need a wristband. You don't have one.
You always get in trouble with Gigi.
Yeah.
You want to vlog. Remember, 2 hands, and you hold it steady. That means you don't shake it like this, okay? So you can show what your mommy is doing. You can get closer. Just watch your step. Your mommy's smart. You hear that? There's nothing there anymore. Go, yeah. Yeah, Jazzy. There you go. Get them angles, girl. Cute. Oh, that's cutie cute. Everything exclusive. Or, well, we could do it on that because it's going to be a pack of 12, only 4. Maybe we could put them on these. While they're in the aisle. Put them up like that. Everything exclusive, everything icy. Thank you, Jazzy.
Book me.
Okay. Oh, this is so cute. No, we professional.
Book us.
Book us, okay? Stop playing with it.
Are you still doing the date?
I was just gonna say that.
I mean, these
Yeah,
are-
because
it's
yeah, they're-
space, so it still
Yeah.
has space technically.
Yeah, because all this white part is gonna be gone. We could put the date right there. Boom. Yeah, we gotta do the date. Just so I can add another pop of black. Professional. And we're gonna do the date and then little arrows. Just like that. Inspo.
We should see if they have a heart arrow.
They do. Under the Valentine's Day thing.
Perfect.
Under the Valentine's font. Stop playing with us.
Don't we use the tape for this part?
Yeah. So you can do them one by one. And when you peel it like, not like
Peel it
up,
back.
peel it like, yeah. It's not coming up. There's something about that glitter, the glitter type of material. I think for the glitter ones we need strong grip like tape. Bam! Hey, quiet.
Boom, pow. Oh,
Yeah, amen.
Yeah.
Pay attention. You distracting him.
Oh, so y'all do need a little tape plan.
I know why he acted the way he did. What's your excuse?
so
Show the camera. Not you, stupid.
First of all, it's on my titties. Can you stop being perverted?
Well, it was on your hands and then you moved.
no, I was. You think I put my
You
titties
went,
on?
I zoomed into your hand right here.
Literally, it was just.
He's hustling.
Mary, you're gonna wash your hair
How'd you go
tonight?
to hell? I'm glad at least one of us got to enjoy ourselves tonight. Difficult.
But it seems impossible, Viv. I mean, why are we working so hard to save a boy who doesn't want to be saved?
Because we owe it to him.
do you have
That doesn't mean we can.
Because it's silky, you can just put those glue stick.
Working hard. Oh, so that one, make sure the sticker's off. Pull it off first. This whole pile right here doesn't have stickers on them already, so you could start with those. So just the easiest way to pull it off is just like this, and then just peel the rest off.
I'm married. I know what crew I'm gonna use.
Period. And if you run out of the green stuff, let me know. I'm gonna pull these off for you. There's a specific way to pull them.
Just to make sure that me and him are still cool as a cucumber, child.
Oh, and like doesn't really open up or you don't want to share anything. Just to see if he gives anything.
Message. You were on felt having to send Alyssa home.
She was
Jealous of other people when they had parents, and that's not really grateful that I wake up every day, and that is the secret to me being a ray of sunshine.
Let's message.
Moment means a lot to me.
Say that thing before 9 o'clock now.
Chat soon. Hashtag me chat with friend. Game aside, I mean just the feelings for
Yeah, see, I knew it. That's what I expected. Like,
Naja's here working hard.
you know, you just gonna
what I
get right to it. You know?
Girl, first of all, you sound like Tabenya. You don't know who Tabenya is?
What's the menu?
You do? Girl, you don't know who. Okay, let me show you who. You don't know who that is, for real?
No, for real.
Ah! Just wait. She don't know who Tabenya is. Let me show you right now.
Kind of nervous. Making me nervous.
This guy's is Tabenia.
It's a guy?
I said this guy's.
Oh. Oh.
That my name is Tab. I picked a perfect one.
Order for Tabenia?
You're done.
Excuse me, bitch. My name is Tabenia.
Sorry.
I'm done.
That's what you sound like.
That's
Tabenia.
what I sound like.
Grand Queen always be under his comments now. Talking
Yeah,
about
I see. I saw
Tabenia is
that.
so funny.
I saw
Ever
her
since he
comment.
did that one thing of her song.
She all up in it.
And you see the Jada
Lost in
Waiter?
the sauce.
Jada Waiter? You saw
Yeah,
her?
yeah.
That's funny. Gotta do what you gotta do to get that fame, boy.
Yeah, he got it now.
Yeah,
For
he
sure.
up there.
You got Queen on your side.
And Jada, who
Oh.
is famous for nothing. She's famous for nothing.
She really is. Because her clothes is good quality. I mets ça avec puis on va
Hey,
venir voir.
Tiff. Ah, mon cher, c'est un féminin.
Puis on va venir voir. S'il vous plaît.
I wish they would.
Come here.
So these flowers are actually from the Dollar Tree, and they actually look good on this. I like it for this.
No, it's pretty for that.
For this, it's good. I like it for that. I was gonna spray them, but I'd rather leave them like this, so there's not too many like shiny, glossy things on the table, and there's more earthy because these give earthy
Yeah.
tone.
I see.
So that is nice. And there's 6 on each bush. Each bush is $1.25, and so far I had enough for me to make one whole box. And that's how you do it on a budget.
See, y'all, I'm so proud of my friend. Because this DIY thing,
Saving
it's coming together though. It's coming together.
Yep.
You didn't see one of my stories where we were about to load the boat and then up on the, because it's like stages of stairs and stuff. Somebody yelling, you're, follow me on Instagram, baby. Follow me on Instagram. I was like, oh. I said, do you know me? It's 00 whatever, giving his Instagram handle out. And then he was like, follow me right now. I'm waiting for it. I was like, you're not gonna wait for me. I know that.
Yeah.
And Chuck D. Segon, when he don't see it, like nobody following him. He's like, bro, didn't I tell y'all? I was like, oh, that feedback. No.
Is that me?
No, they zooming over there. Those kitty scissors.
What you need scissors for? Where's the scissors? Did I give them back to you?
No.
They somewhere, because I'm not even using them anymore. Because I'm only using this now. I mean, feel free to use this too if you want to.
Oh, that's for floral.
Branches.
Oh, yeah, it is under the stuff. This ain't blending in with the green.
Alright, so I'm gonna put, so I need to buy 2 more of these and 6 more flowers. Okay, coming together, real cute.
Period.
Oh, this is so cute. I like it, and it looks really cute on camera.